Hello, Teak Tigers. Today we're going to be continuing our study of our math facts. Today we're going to be working on times 8. Now again, the goal here, guys, is to be able to have these facts memorized. So you can use the flash that I'm going to be sharing in this video to help you practice and get really fast with it. I'm going to be showing each fact for about 3 seconds before showing you the answer, and your goal is to beat me. But I also encourage you to go ahead and practice on multiplication.com or find another website or app that you can practice with and get really fast to memorizing these facts. And if you don't have the lower facts memorized, then I suggest you go back and you work on those first before moving on to the eights. But before we start working on that, I'm going to give you a couple of tips to kind of help you understand how the eights facts work. Okay, so my tips for the eights are to use the 5s and 3s and then add, kind of like what we've been doing with the other facts where we use the ones we already know and add them together. Or remember back in the 4s, we doubled things twice. With the 8s, we can double it 3 times. So let's take a look at what that looks like. For example, 8 times 4. We'll start with the 5s and 3s. I'm going to take my number that's not the 8, in this case 4, multiply it by 5, that's 20, multiply it by 3, that's 12, and then you add them together, and you get 32. So that's using your 5s and your 3s, because 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 4s plus 3 4s gives you 8 4s, okay? Also, we could double it 3 times. So let's use 8 times 4 again as an example. So first I'm going to double it. Remember, doubling is just adding it to itself or multiplying by 2. So 4 times 2 is 8, times 2 a second time is 16, times 2 a third time will give you 32. So you're doubling it 3 times. That gives you your 8, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So though doubling something 3 times is the same thing as multiplying it by 8. Now, okay, you guys ready for the practice flash? Here we go.